Welcome back to Lily's Everyday, everybody. Today I will be sharing with you my chocolate cake recipe. This is by far the epitome of what a chocolate cake should be, plus more, because you do not need a mixer, you only need a bowl, and this could easily become a cupcake or a muffin without any confusing conversions. So let's get started on the ingredients. Stuff, we're going to need 1 cup of each white sugar and brown sugar, 1 3/4 cup of flour, 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 1/2 teaspoon of each baking powder and baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of boiling water with instant coffee, half a cup of oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and 2 eggs, and then your choice of mixing bowl, a sieve, a spatula, and a whisk. We're going to go ahead and sift all the dry ingredients together in the mixing bowl, and then once that is done we will move on to wet ingredients. The brown sugar may be slightly difficult to do. I used the larger sift on that one and then just dumped it into the mixing bowl. Once all the dry ingredients have been sifted into the mixing bowl, go ahead and grab your whisk and mix it around until well combined. You may find that the brown sugar may try to clump up, but that's perfectly fine, it'll bake off. After all the dry ingredients have been added to the mixing bowl, we're going to go ahead and add the wet ingredients. We're going to add everything but the coffee, which we will reserve to add at the very end. Mix until well combined and you will end up with a thick batter. And finally, we're going to go ahead and add our hot coffee to the batter, stirring carefully but quickly so as not to cook the eggs. The coffee is going to enhance all the chocolate flavors in the batter, thus resulting in a more chocolatey cake. After the addition of the coffee, your batter should be thick but runny. Grease and flour your desired pans and preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Fill your desired pans to about half full with the batter. I will also be making some cupcakes and a muffin just to show you how easily this recipe could become a cake, cupcake, or a muffin. Depending on the size of your pans, it's going to take different time increments for the cakes to bake inside the oven. For my 2 6-inch rounds, it took about 30 minutes for it to bake. As for the cupcakes and the muffin, it took about 25. So you want to make sure you do the toothpick test and make sure that it comes out clean and with no batter, and then you can go ahead and turn it off and turn your cakes onto a cooling rack. Have them fully cooled before you start decorating. Alright guys, my chocolate cake is ready and it is so rich, moist, and decadent. You guys have to try this recipe, especially given it involves 1 bowl, no mixer, and you can make it into a cupcake or a muffin too. So give it a try, comment down below if you do. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with a family or a friend. Until I see you guys back soon, I'm gonna go ahead and enjoy my slice of cake. You guys take care until the next time.